We've been hearing for the past few years that electric cars are the future. Most car manufacturers are moving towards electric cars as they started realizing the shift towards EV. The UK is believed to ban petrol and diesel cars by 2030. The USA and many European countries are following suit. One of the biggest reservations that skeptics have about electric vehicles is the range. Some of the diesel models today claim to have more than 700 miles with a full tank, whereas an electric vehicle has an average range of 300 miles per charge. Several automakers are working on increasing that to around 700 miles, with NIO working on their sedan ET7 with 621 miles. Most electric vehicles on the road today use lithium-ion batteries to run. Lithium-ion batteries have a high energy efficiency, great high temperature performance, and high power to weight ratio. This means that the batteries can hold a lot of energy for their weight, which is important for electric cars. So less weight means the car can travel further on a single charge. A typical EV has around 5,000 battery cells, and a single EV has roughly 22 pounds or 10 kilograms of lithium in it. A ton of lithium metal is required to build about 90 electric vehicles. A conventional lithium battery uses a liquid electrolyte or sometimes a polymer gel. Lithium-ion batteries relies on an electrolyte which separates a cathode and an anode through which charged ions travel. Even though the range is limited with lithium-ion batteries compared to diesel vehicles, there was no alternative for lithium-ion batteries till now. Recently, Toyota announced that they are working and will unveil their new solid-state battery technology, and they plan to sell vehicles with solid-state batteries. In a recent press release, Toyota announced that Panasonic and Toyota established a joint venture. Through this joint venture, Panasonic and Toyota are working on developing solid-state batteries. The solid-state battery will use a solid electrolyte instead of liquid electrolyte used in lithium-ion batteries, and are supposed to promise safer and faster charging batteries with more energy density. The solid-state batteries Samsung is working on uses silver carbon coating with a chemical composition of AgC, measuring just 5 micrometers thick, thus reducing weight and space required. Therefore, it improves efficiency. A battery pack of the same size can double the expected range of an electric vehicle. They expect these batteries to be 2 to 10 times the energy density of lithium-ion batteries without compromising on power. This in turn helps achieve 1,000 cycles, which could result in more than 500,000 miles. Another biggest advantage with using the solid-state batteries is that they are less flammable compared to lithium-ion batteries. The exothermic reactions that happen inside a battery generates a lot of heat, and as this thing heats up, they also expand. The solid-state batteries would negate this to a certain extent. According to the news articles, Toyota's solid-state batteries would be able to add another 300 miles in one single charge, and it just takes around 10 minutes to charge. Once the technology and the manufacturing processes are refined, the EV battery innovation will go to the next level. Several automakers started noticing the technology and are working on it. Toyota, along with Honda and Nissan, formed a consortium and are focusing on solid-state battery technology. Bentley thinks this sort of technology will be a game changer. Panasonic and Volkswagen believe that it might take a decade to see solid-state batteries in electric vehicles. But Toyota is about to unveil a prototype in 2021, and they still have issues with durability and safety of this battery. Between 2021 and 2025, they will keep working on improving the technology and should be ready for mass production with their capabilities. We at Business Trends estimate that scalable production might take till 2030. We can't report that the cost might be an issue because although it may be expensive to develop, it is expected to be cheaper to manufacture in mass. The concept is still in its infancy, and there's still a lot of work to be done to get solid-state technology ready for the mass market. In a nutshell, the solid state batteries can replace the lithium ion batteries by bringing an increased energy density, helping to power up to double the range, reduces the risk of flammability, and also an increased lifespan. The solid state batteries are expected to have a lifespan of up to 10 years. Current estimates suggest that we are likely to see solid state batteries in cars by the end of the decade if the tests are successful and with a more stable economy. What excites you most about the solid state batteries? Is it the long extended range or improved safety? Do you guys think solid state batteries can outperform Tesla's upcoming new tablet design? Let us know in the comments below. Hey guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.